Good morning and Jai Hind everyone. Today we are going to start our next chapter, that is cyber safety. The first topic is internet. Internet is one of the largest information databases. It has become a vital part of our life. Internet stands for interconnected network of computers. It is a global system of interconnected computer networks that enable the user to share information and various resources with each other. It uses common communication standards and interfaces to provide the physical backbone for many interesting applications. Tasks that were usually performed through personal interaction, such as banking, shopping, or communication, can now be done online. We can share data and information across the globe instantly. In need, the internet has transformed the world into a smaller and convenient place to live in. The scope of the internet is getting wider with each passing day. To analyze how fast the use of internet is growing, pick any newspaper or magazine and carefully observe the advertisements given there. You would realize that almost every enterprise has its website listed in addition to its address and telephone numbers. Every organization is making its presence felt on the internet. The internet is a boon to the world as the 24 into 7 operation of the internet has revolutionized almost every aspect of our life. Advantages of internet. Education. The internet has changed the traditional learning system. It is widely used for educational purposes by scholars, students, and teachers to learn anytime and anywhere. It has shown dramatic impact on higher education as more universities offer online courses. IGNOU is one of the universities which offers this facility. The internet is a vast storehouse of information and is also used to publish papers and articles. Convenient mode of communication. The internet provides a convenient and economical mode of communication. Users can communicate with each other using various services available on internet like email, chat, video conferencing, instant messenger, etc. Business. The internet has brought new opportunities for business to offer goods and services online, which has proved to be beneficial. Meetings can be conducted inexpensively through the video conferencing facility without physically visiting the place. Financial transactions can be made online from the office or home. E-commerce. It is the concept used for any type of commercial business deal that involves the transfer of money across the globe by using the internet. That will be all for today. Thank you and Jai Hind everyone.